Okay, today we're going to start by making this test piece number 4. So go to Autodesk Inventor, click on New Part, and at this point, okay, so make sure to do Save As before you start, and I'm going to call this by my name, Unit 4.1, test part number, this is going to be 4. Okay, now as soon as I'm here, first thing I'm going to do is start a 2D sketch, but I need to figure out how big I'm going to do that. So the base of this is going to be 4 by 4. So it's also going to be 3 units high. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is a 2D sketch, and I'm going to pick the XZ plane because that is the base. I'm going to make a 4 by 4 rectangle. Start by hovering over the origin, pull it out, and type 4 tab 4, zoom out. That gives you a 4 by 4 rectangle. Once you have that, hit finished, and we need to extrude that 3 inches. So now you have a cube. Okay, so hit home again. So we're looking at it in home view. So we have 4 by 4 by 3. Let's see what we need to do next. Okay, so we need to start cutting out some of these boxes. This is an additive piece right here, which is a 1 by 1 by 1 cube. Let's do that next. So what I'm going to do here is I need to pick a plane to make a sketch on. So when I hit add sketch, I'm going to highlight the plane that I want to sketch on. And I want to put a rectangle up here in the corner. So I'm going to highlight the corner when it turns green. I'm going to click, pull it down, and tab 1 for width and height. Hit enter. Finish sketch. And we're going to extrude 1 inch. Okay, so now we need to start cutting some pieces out of this to make it look more like this. So this is a 1 by 1 cube. Let's do that first. Back to Autodesk Inventor. We need to start a sketch on this plane. So click Start Sketch. Click on the plane you want. We're going to do it from this corner here. Make a rectangle, highlight the corner. When it turns green, you have the corner, and you also see that tells you that you have the corner as well. Pull down a rectangle, and if we want it to be exactly 1, type 1, and to switch to the other side, hit tab 1. Once you have the dimensions you want, hit enter. Finish sketch, and we're going to extrude, but we're going to extrude down. Yeah, the opposite way. Okay, so, okay, and we are, all right, so we need to add on the 2 by 2 cutout right here and the 1/2 by 1/2 cutout here. Let's just do it at once and see if we can do it at the same time. All right, so I need to start a 2D sketch here, and we need 2 rectangles. We need a 2 by 2 here. So 2 tab 2 enter, and we need a tiny one right here. Just going to be 0.5 tab 0.5 enter. Finish sketch, and let's see if we can extrude both of these guys at the same time. Extrude, click, click, and we need them to go down. Oh, nope, cancel. Can't do it at the same time. Darn. Okay, so let's highlight 1, extrude, and this needs to go down 2 inches, and needs to go cut out. Okay. Now let's extrude again. Create a 2D sketch on this side. I have to create a whole new rectangle. You can extrude a bunch of things at the same time if they're the same depth. Okay, finish sketch. Extrude down 1/2 inch. Okay, save. Spin around and make sure it looks good.